who's supposed to take the lead on this to prepare a country for casualties? We remember the casualties, at least my generation does, all of our generation. Remember the casualties of Kargil, we remember the casualties of the Sri Lanka operation that happened, not called a war, but then the operation that happened. We remember the casualties of that. Some people might even remember minimal, but 71. But उससे पहले के casualties किसी को याद भी नहीं होते. And then we remember the casualties of terror operations which have taken place and the soldiers who have died. Who's to take the lead to prepare the country?
All those casualties in all those conflicts that you've recounted. Number one, the phone camera wasn't there.
Yeah.
Right? You didn't have ANI stringers in each and every place bringing real-time information, right?
Yeah.
That's a big difference.
Yeah.
Number one. Number two, you didn't have civilian casualties, whether it was in Sri Lanka, whether it was even in Kargil,
Yes.
right? Civilian casualties was basically whatever happened. In fact, you were in the PM at that time, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
Kargil?
Yeah, he was.
No, after. I just came in after.
You just came after.
After the Kargil operation.
But at that point of time, if you remember, there was cross-border shelling.
Yeah.
But there was really no civilian
not even the
casualties.
shepherds, I
right?
think, no,
Because
anything.
some houses got destroyed
Yeah.
and all, but that was again in
Even in
remote
the
border
IB, nothing
regions.
happened. There were people who were
Yeah.
going into the shelters. But it was the first televised war.
It was the first televised
But
war.
the body bags are now more visible. You know,
Yeah.
that is the point I think Sushant is making.
So one, and this time around, we don't know whether it's going to be counter force or counter value targets, right? You could be attacking maybe cities. Maybe you are targeting some place which is in the middle of a populated area, and there is, for example, a Murid Ke. I'm just dropping names.
Yeah.
There's a Murid Ke or that
Aapke muँh mein ghee
Bahawalpur
shakkar.
Madrasa or any of these.
हाँ.
हो सकता है that something might go awry and there are civilian casualties. Similarly out here. So we need to be more prepared this time. It will not be like, I don't expect it to be. It might just as well be, but I don't expect it to be what it was, what earlier conflicts or skirmishes were like. It's probably going to be different. Also remember that in the past wars, for example, they were mostly around the border regions. Okay, maybe Karachi was attacked, but then Karachi port was
Lahore bhi, Lahore, Amritsar
yeah,
also
Lahore,
happened.
but not the cities.
Not the cities.
Not the cities, but and that also in the outskirts of the cities. In inner cities were not attacked.
No.
We don't know what is going to happen this time. And if you're going to be firing missiles, for example, or long range artillery or saturation rockets or smashes and all of that, you don't know what you're going to be actually hitting.
Yeah, in heavy populated areas, both ways it can happen.
So we need to be prepared. I'm not saying that's the trajectory of things, but we need to be prepared. People should not behave that war is good, fun business, and that it's like playing on, our phones and, we have a plane which is going to go and fire and we can have all the equipment to dodge. No, there will be loss. There will be loss of men and material.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.